How to get Dramabox gift codes. I'm going to tell you how to get Dramabox gift codes. Dramabox occasionally releases gift codes that users can redeem for in-app rewards. These codes are often shared through official social media pages, newsletter, or special promotions. To find active codes, check Dramabox's Facebook, Twitter, or official website. You can also find updated Dramabox gift codes on trusted third-party websites like Pocket Gamer, Gamer Tweak, and Pro Game Guides. These sites regularly update their list with the latest working codes. However, be cautious and only use reputable sources to avoid scams. If a code doesn't work, it may have expired or reached its usage limit. Stay updated by following Dramabox's official channels and checking trusted third-party websites to grab the latest gift codes before they expire.